Assalamu alaikum students, AppSec Online Support Program, OSP, your class is first year. Okay, today we will teach about equation reducible to the quadratic equation. Okay, it means that we have to reduce in the quadratic form and then we can solve it. Okay, so page number 144 to 148, this is the page number, and you can see from the book, and the sources that we can use is textbook and internet. Okay, now chapter name is quadratic equation reducible to quadratic form. There are some types, so first I'm just giving type 1. What is type 1? That a x raised to the power 2n plus b x raised to the power 1 plus c, or we can say that a x raised to the power n then whole square. So you can see that it is a quadratic form. Okay, so when x raised to the power n is here, so we can suppose it, we can, because this is the same thing, so we can suppose. So we put y is equal to x raised to the power n. Okay, so questions 1 2 3 4 5 are the type 1 question, type 1 questions of exercise from exercise 4.2. Okay, now question number 1, x raised to the power 4 minus 6x square plus 8. You can see that x raised to the power 4 means a is 1. So can I write like this thing, x square the whole square minus 6x square plus 8. So again the same thing, you can see that here put y is equal to x raised to the power n, put y is equal to x square. Okay, so when x square is here, so y means x square, so y square minus 6y plus 8. So now you can see that it is a quadratic form. Then we have reduced this form to the quadratic form and making the factors, you know from previous lecture that how we can make the factors. So y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Then we have to put back in the substitution, where we substitute y is equal to x square, so it means that we have to put it back in here. Okay, so if y is equal to 2, if y is equal to 2, x is equal to plus minus root 2. Why? Because whenever we remove square sign from the variable, is equal to, after the is equal to plus minus root we should put. Okay, so square is equal to plus minus root 4, root 4 means 2. So this is the answer. So now you can see that what is the degree of this polynomial. Degree means the highest power of the term. This is 4. So you can see that 4 answers, or we can say that 4 roots are here. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2 is same as type 1. So x raised to the power minus 2, I'm just shifting from this term to there. So minus 3 x raised to the power minus 1 minus 10 is equal to 0. Then you can see that this is same, x raised to the power minus 1 is same. So again substitute y is equal to x raised to the power minus 1 I suppose, and then put it back to the just making the factors. This is the previous lectures, and make the y values is 4 5 and minus 2. Okay, and now I'm just putting back to substitution. So x raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 5, or x raised to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 1 upon 5, or x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Now you can see the question number 4, x raised to the power 6, x raised to the power 3. This is 3, okay, not 2. Okay, so you can see that, can I write like this, x cube whole square is x raised to the power 6. So you can see that this is the same thing, and again the whole thing that is the same as question number 2. Okay, just put it the value, and this y is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 27 upon 8. Then I put it back to there, x cube is equal to minus 1 x cube 27 upon 8. So now you can see that a cube plus b cube, the formula is here, a cube minus b cube, the formula is here, formula is written, and I applying the formula. So you can see that x plus 1 is equal to 0 means either x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1, or this thing. This is the quadratic equation and we cannot make the factors, so we just put the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus 1 b square minus 4 upon 2a. This is the formula that we use in this and this, and from this we have these 2 roots, and where is minus 1 come? Minus 1 is from here and 3 upon 2 is here. So you can see that 4 roots are sorry, 6 roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 roots are here because the highest power is 6. So question number 3 and question number 5 is homework same as question number 2, question number 4. So you have to do as an assignment. Now type 2, one given equation is the form of these 4 brackets and is equal to constant. Then what we can do? We can do just make the factors. For example, first we have to make arranging them so we can have the same thing. For example, x plus 1 I arrange to the x plus 4 and x plus 2 with x plus 3. So when we multiply this, so x square plus 5x plus 4, and when we multiply this thing, so x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to k, means 24. So now you can see that x square plus 5x, x square plus 5x is same. So you can substitute. Suppose then y is equal to x square plus 5x. So y plus 4, y plus 6 from this equation is equal to 24. Now multiplying the brackets, so you can see that this is the quadratic form. So just take the common y. So y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 10. These two terms, just put it back to there, and y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, so x square plus 5x is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 5 or 0, and y is equal to minus 10. Then we can put the formula, quadratic formula. So this is the answer. Now you can see that in type 2, question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 are the from the type 2 exercise 4.2. Okay. So question number 12 is here. So now you can see that just I'm just making factors. This is the quadratic form. So I'm making factors. So x square plus 2x plus 4x plus 8, because plus 2x plus 4x is plus 6, and plus 6x plus 8x is also plus 14x. Okay, so making the factors. Now you can see that this is the previous question. Now rearranging. What we arrange? Plus 2 plus 8. What is plus 2 plus 8? Plus 10, and plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. So arrange it, this bracket with this bracket, this bracket with this bracket. So now you can see that x square plus 10x is same. Now put it, the supposition is here, y is equal to x square plus 1 plus x. Why? Because this is x square plus x square plus 10x. Sorry, not y is equal to x square plus 10x, because y is equal to x square plus 10x. Why? Because x square plus 10x is common. Okay. Now again the same thing. This is the quadratic form, making the factors. Now we have two values, and then put it back to the supposition. So again we make the quadratic equation. So if we can make the factor, so we can have the x is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Here we cannot make the factor, so we put the formula, because you know that there are 3 ways to solve any quadratic equation. First one is factors, by making factors, by completing a square, and that one is quadratic formula. Okay, so this is the thing. Now question number 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 are the homework, because this is all same that like question number 12 and previous question. I'm alive through the WhatsApp group, so you can ask any question regarding this presentation, this lecture. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.